Starshipit's partial shipment functionality allows you to print a label to dispatch part of an order, then fulfill the rest at a later date, for example when only some of the items are in stock. In this tutorial, we'll run through the different ways you can process and fulfill partial shipments. To ship part of an order, open an order with more than one item. Items can be partially shipped in two ways, either by deselecting an entire row of products or by changing the quantity in the shipped column. The change will be reflected in the weight and the declared value. From here, click Print and the system will move the order which was just printed to the printed section. Looking into the order details, you can see the number of items shipped next to the quantity column. The remaining portion of the shipment remains in the new tab with the same order number. The order can be split even further if required. Note that the order in your e-commerce platform will also be partially shipped. Only the items shipped will be updated and relevant tracking numbers applied. If your e-commerce platform does not support partial shipping, the total order will be updated when you print the first label. Check for links in the video description and visit our knowledge base for more helpful tips and tutorials.